Hello everyone and welcome to Lavender Blue. I'm Fiona. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please hit the like button and leave a comment, as this helps my channel and I love to chat with you all. I would also love it if you would subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. You can also find me on other social media platforms and I would love to connect with you there. My link is always in the description box below. Now, let's get creative. Lavender Folio. This is a printable in my Etsy shop, which I will put the link below if you're interested. And first of all, you need to glue the front and back covers, front and inside covers together. So I've already done that. They are the two larger pieces and they just glue straight together. First of all, I am going to be adding an eyelet for my closure before I start. You see the inside cover there is the one with the plain newsprint. And then I'm adding one of the pockets here, just deciding where I want to put that one. You get a couple of pockets and about 4 journaling cards and a couple of little envelopes and a couple of other little folding cards in this kit. I added a little piece of lavender lace to the bottom of the pocket. And then I had these little lavender silk roses, so I glued one of them down to the pocket also. And then just taking one of the larger journal cards and I attached some lace to the top of the card. And I'm going to add a little butterfly on top of that also. This is from my large printable collection of butterflies as well, and I'll put the link to that in the video description. So now I'm going to attach the second pocket, and I decided to put that onto the back cover. You can of course put things wherever you want to place them. I've got one of the folding cards there and I've just placed that into the back pocket. So this is another one of the folding cards, and I decided to glue this one down as a side tuck. So I just glued on the 3 edges, and so we've got an opening at the right hand side behind this card. I found a little piece of this broderie anglaise lace, so I thought that would go nicely in here. And I'm just grabbing some of this beautiful lavender rose trim that I actually purchased from Temu. If you saw my Temu haul a few videos ago, I showed you a few things, and I'd gotten a pink one of this lace and I liked it so much that I got the lavender one as well. Sorry, it's not lace, it's a rose trim. And so now I'm just deciding what I want to tuck in behind there. So I'm just using one of the other journal cards there, and I'm putting the little butterfly onto the journal card to use as a tab to pull the card out. And just making sure that I've got enough room when I close up the folio that's going to be okay. Sticking out just a little bit there. Then I want to add this larger butterfly. I use this little envelope as a tuck spot on the back, and I just needed to cut down the sides just slightly so that they weren't poking out too much over the edges. And so I've glued down 3 sides, and it's going to be a tuck, as well as the envelope will be able to be opened to be written in. Added another one of those little silk roses to the rose pocket, lavender pocket, sorry. And just a little bit of trim onto the postcard image there. And I have the second little envelope here. I decided to add an eyelet to this one so that I could thread a little bit of string through for a closure. Just adding my eyelet. And you'll see that I did try to put some of that purple ribbon through, but it was a little bit too wide. I was going to cut it in half, but in the end I decided to use a piece of twine or string instead. So just threading that through for a cute little closure. And this is going to go into the back pocket of the folio. Now just deciding what I wanted to do with that butterfly. I was going to add a little charm to it, and then I decided against that, and I ended up I was going to add this little key charm initially to the butterfly, and then I decided I wanted to use the key on the front cover, my closure, so I ended up just poking a hole in the middle of the butterfly and adding a little lavender heart brad that I had, just to add a little bit of decoration. And I'm just going to glue that down. So then I needed a closure for that little folding envelope that folds up and down, and I have some not glue dots, some Velcro dots here, so I'm just attaching those now. You can see that flips down, so you've got a bit of writing space in there. And now I'm going to add my closure with this beautiful purple ribbon. Adding a bit more of that trim on the front. This is a beautiful little project. It's going to be very pretty. It'll make a really nice gift for somebody to keep all their photographs or little mementos or just to write in. So I'm just threading that little key onto the ribbon and then putting it through the hole there, and I just tied it around and tied it in a little bow for the closure. And I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, I will put the link to this in the description box below. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.